PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides reliable and professional furnace installation services in Kutztown, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners stay warm, comfortable, and energy efficient throughout the cold season. A properly installed furnace not only enhances comfort but also ensures better air quality, quieter operation, and fewer future repairs. Call our furnace installation team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a furnace installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How do I know if I need a new furnace? You may need furnace replacement if your system is over 15 to 20 years old, requires frequent repairs, heats unevenly, makes unusual noises, or causes rising energy bills. How do I choose the right furnace for my home? Our team evaluates your home's size, insulation, and heating needs to recommend the best furnace for comfort and efficiency. What is your service area for Kutztown, Pennsylvania? Our furnace installation has helped clients in Kutztown, Kempton, Albany, Leonardsville, Edinburgh, Hamburg, Bern, Croomsville, New Smithville, Virginville, Lyons, Dreville, Fredericksville, Topton, Mertztown, Maxatawny, Muslim Springs, Kirbyville, Evansville, Walnuttown, Pennsylvania. Where is your Kutztown, Pennsylvania furnace installation office located? We are located at 15260 Kutztown Road No. 113, Kutztown, Pennsylvania 19530. Our phone number is 610-672-3053. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Kutztown.